Take two. What's up, family? Built on a budget here, bringing you another update. That's what we do. We do things, we update it, trying to keep you posted, trying to keep you in tune with the newest thing that's going on this Built on the Budget channel. Like to say, hey man, I done picked up some more subscribers. I appreciate the ones that has signed on with Built on the Budget to become part of the BOAB family. Your comments is appreciated, your views is appreciated. It just make this shooting videos well worth it when I have an audience, people that enjoy seeing my content every day. Starting to be summertime, and things are starting to look pretty. Before I get in this content, just look at here. Let me show you something. Can y'all see them trees, man? Look all the way down through there. Isn't that pretty? Oh man, that's a pretty sight. And what that sight tells me is, those are Bradford pear trees, and they'll turn white, and they'll smell real funky. Now they stink, but they'll smell real funky. And what that tells me is, it's summertime. It's time to get busy. Time to rock and roll, man. And I look forward to that. And so this ain't no different, man, in what we doing. It's time to get going. And so today, I guess you done seen by the thumbnail, baby girl has got a heart. Yes, BOAB fam, baby girl has a heart. Man, I can't believe it. I can believe it, but it just always amazes me. The truck was delivered to her on Saturday, and on yesterday, which would have been Wednesday, she received a heart, and I want to show it to you. So check this out. What you see, family? You have 0353 LS engine on the engine stand. Hadn't did nothing to it yet as far as cleaning it up or anything. I just got it unloaded off the back of the truck and got it on the engine stand. I'm excited about it, and we're looking forward to getting that puppy put in. I've already ordered some parts for it, got some motor mount coming, and I'm gonna get the fuel system in the mail. I think I found a transmission. I know that by Saturday, hopefully that'll come through. I have a transmission for it, and shoot, man, baby girl be on the move, man. I mean, I'm gonna walk down here and show you just some of, just a little recap of baby girl to those people that is new on the channel. I'm gonna put this thing on pause, and when I get down that hill, cause it's wet and I don't want you to see me fall, I pull baby just girl like that. So I'm back with the magic of television. Here's baby girl for the new subscriber, 85 C10 short wheelbase, project stage. As you can see, got a lot of stuff tore out on the inside of it. Working on it. Got a few things I got to fix there and everything. And you come around here and you can see what I did to work on the door. I had a subscriber pull up on me yesterday, and I donated a door. I'll show it to you when I get back up the hill. But yeah, man, he seen on my channel where I was needing a door because I had damage on the one that was on it. And he hit me up and said, hey, he had a real good door and that he wanted to donate it to baby girl. So I picked that door up on yesterday, and like I said, I'll show it to you when I get back up the hill. But I don't know which way I'm gonna go because you know, that one there don't look too bad. So, you know, it's just up for grabs now. But I went in here today and discovered rot. See that there? And I know it's pretty solid. Right there is bad. See that? Seems like it gets a little solider right in here. But you know, that's nothing. That's nothing really. I'm gonna take care of that. Cause as y'all know, them hands. You know what them hands is? Them Smithsonian hands. They should be in the registered in the Smithsonian Institute because I can work magic with them hands. So you know, see the front of it? She had 2 missing eyes last week. Went ahead and put the eyes and stuff in on it, and got the fenders and stuff off of it, which you can see that's the ones laying right here. They kind of dented, and we're looking forward to you know, getting some better ones to go on that, and then she gonna be good to go. But as we stated, she started out naked as a jaybird. Gotta get all of this painted up, do a little more wire brush, and I tried to pressure wash it, but I'm gonna have to wire brush up under here and see if I can't get a little color and stuff on this thing before I actually sit that motor down in here. It's not really bad, and hopefully these things here, yeah, that's good. That's good. They good. They good. So I don't have to change that. But that's gonna be real good there. So like I said, I had a subscriber. He hooked me up, and then we met. He actually helped me roll this new heart out to the back of the truck, which was a big help when you're trying to roll a motor on an engine stand, and a wheelbarrow full of tools. That help is real good. But we're gonna be getting it cleaned up and ready to go. There it go again. 2003 5.3 liter drive-by-wire. That's what's in here in the 88, and that's the door that he blessed me with. Harold, I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you looking out. Appreciate you being part of the family. All of you that has signed on, appreciate it. And just continue to watch, because I'm gonna continuously bring you content on a weekly. So hit the notification bell. Share this with somebody else. If you like the videos, share them with people, man. I mean, I know I ain't doing you know, I might not never win an Academy Award or anything for what I do, but I do try to be entertaining, and I do be myself in what I do because I love it. The content is good, and you know, just keep watching, and I'ma keep sharing videos with you. And I got some stuff that I want to show you, and I'll put that in the next video. We got some packaging that's in the mail on this bad boy right here. And being that I'm walking by it, I'm gonna do it where I'm at. I'm gonna do it. Won't I do it? You know I will. So let me do this thing right quick. Hold your horses. Hey, I'm gonna tell you something, man. I love it, man. What you heard is stock exhaust, no headers. The pipe do have a H pipe made into it, and I like to call them Flowmaster imposters. They look like a Flowmaster, but we all know that Flowmasters have stuff stamped in it that say Flowmasters. And while we on that, I'm gonna show you something else we picked up for baby girl. So let me turn this thing off and get it out. Y'all, boom shakalaka, just like that. Once again, I'm back. Let me show you what else we picked up for baby girl. You see it? Yes, sir. Now, I don't know if these are Flowmasters or not, because they are actually welded together and I can't see the other side of them. But this is what we got going on, and that's what's gonna go on baby girl stuff. And hopefully that once we put it together, she can sound like her daddy. See what I'm saying? Now, I know her aim is to outsound her daddy. I don't know why children always think that they can outdo you, but as any of you that's a parent, you will never be outdone by your child. Got a long story about a little shooting thing that me and my daughter went on. We like to shoot automatic weapons and stuff together, and we went to the gun range one time, and our baby girl, she was real good. You know, she's a military girl and everything, and she just felt like she was gonna outshoot daddy that day, to the point where she called me out. I couldn't believe it. I'm like, what? What? Yeah, believe that. She called me out, and so I had to take her to school. She'll never forget that. Daddy took her to school. And baby girl, I know you're listening. You'll never forget that day that daddy took your butt to school. And so, you know, the student will never be greater than the teacher. And I'm gonna give you everything I know, but I'm gonna hold back just a little bit so you won't have that edge. But yeah, it's all good, man. I love her, and I'm gonna do everything I can to make baby girl be a force to be reckoned with. You know, when you see a young lady riding around in a LS swap that she's proud of, hey, that right there speaks volumes. And then, you know, she ain't fearful to say some things, you know. But all we want to do is have fun with it. I want to see my baby have the very best. I'm game to help her have the very best, and I'm just excited about bringing this product, you know, onto the highway. So stay tuned to this channel. Stay tuned to the baby girl videos, because I'm dropping them. Hey, she like, Daddy, I'm ready to do this. What you need? And I tell her, and I get it, and then I can make it happen for her. So I'm looking, man, maybe in the next couple of weeks, if this transmission thing work out right, maybe in the next couple of weeks, man, I might be ready to drive this thing up the street to my muffler, man, and get these 3-inch pipe run out the back, out the side. So listen, Built on the Budget family, stay tuned, stay locked, keep it plugged, hit the notification bell, turn it up where you can hear it, share this with other people, and let them know, baby girl, she got heart. My baby got heart, and there she sit. So hopefully, you know, we get her cleaned up, get her put in, put that 60 behind it, that it'll be warned that I can do it just like that. Got a couple of updates on the 88 step side. Y'all thought I forgot about the 88, but I hadn't. I'm gonna do an unboxing on my next video, worn down the chute, and to kind of show you what we're doing. So this is Built on the Budget, saying thank you for watching, and peace.